Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle. So, as I've told you earlier, that strings are used for storing text, and a string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quote. Like, so, this is a string hello, and this is string variable str. And let me tell you one thing, guys, that a string in Java is actually an object which contains method that can perform certain operation on string. And for example, if you want to find out the length of this string, then we have the length method. Like, let me store the length in an int variable that will be length, and it will be string dot length. And to show it, let me show. Let's run it. Here you can see we got the length of the string, that is 5. As you can see, hello has 5 characters in it. We have many other methods for string, such as to convert string to uppercase or to lowercase. Let's show that also. Let's remove this, and here string to lowercase, and let's run it. Here you can see just turned the H that was in capital letter to small letter. Or we can do, or we can convert everything to uppercase too. And now you can see that we have converted it to uppercase. Here you can see we have converted all the characters in the string to uppercase. And if you want to find the index of a character, then you have to write string dot index of, and then the if it is a character, then you have to find write the character, or if it is a string, then you have to write the string. As you know, for writing character you have to use single quote, and for writing string you have to use double quote. And let's find the position of e, the index of e in hello, and let's run it. Here you can see position of e is 1, as here it works as an array, and an array usually starts from 0, and the first character of string also starts with the index of 0. So with that, it will be index of h will be 0, index of e is 1, and the first tail is 2, second tail is 3, and o is 4, and like this for any string. And that's it for this video, guys, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.